Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can unblock your Paysafe account. In order to do so, here we are in Cider AI, and according to Cider, if your Paysafe account has been blocked, it's usually due to security concerns, suspicious activity, or violations of their terms and conditions. Here are steps you can take to unblock your Paysafe account. First off, check your email. Look for any emails from Paysafe regarding your account status. They may have provided specific reasons for the block and instructions for resolution. Or you can go to the official Paysafe website, log into your account if it's accessible to check for any notifications or alert. You can contact customer support navigating to the support or help section of the Paysafe website, or you can use the live chat feature, submit a support request, or call their customer service hotline. Be prepared to provide your account details and any relevant information they request. You may need to submit identification documentation to verify your identity. This could include a government-issued ID or proof of address. Follow any instructions provided by customer support carefully. Examine your recent transactions and account activity. If there are any unauthorized transactions, report them to Paysafe immediately. Ensure you understand and comply with Paysafe's term of service to prevent further issues. Be patient. The unblocking process can take some time. Stay in touch with customer service for updates. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find a link to Cider AI. Click on that link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.